Hello my sewing friends. Today I would like to show you a new arrival sewing machine which is JUKI model number DDL-8000C 2025 years model. This is completely automatic sewing machine, silent, direct drive motor, touch screen, and it has also electronic control knee lifter, electronic control stitch length, electronic control presser foot lift, bar attack, so all electronic. And now I'll show you how machine works. We have a reverse button here, also here. Also we have a half stitch button for very precise if you need, example, one stitch or two stitches in the end. And we go to the end, press on the pedal, machine cut thread and lift up presser foot. And now I'll start again sewing with bar attack when we started and in the end. 4 stitches, backward forward. Yeah, it's nice stitch. If you need more information, please give us a call or email us or visit our website. Thank you, bye.